Here with Tuxedo Computers, and who are you?
My name is Vincent Fitzke, and I'm in charge for press and public relations for Tuxedo Computers.
And we're looking at your Linux laptop right here. This is configured with 64 gigabytes of RAM, 2,178 euro. And this is what your company is doing, Linux computers.
Yes, we are doing Linux computers with 100% compatibility, and we are assembling them individually. We are developing our own drivers, and we have a various range of devices. And
right here is a thin one, right?
Yeah, it's a very thin one. It's only 1.4 kilograms heavy or light if you want to.
Tuxedo Infinity Book Pro.
Yeah, this one is
and
the
this is 14 inch.
Yeah, this one's the Infinity Book.
Yeah.
And it's 14 inch, completely in aluminium. It's totally silent. It's fanless. It's
fanless.
Passively cooled.
Core i5.
Yes.
Passively cooled. And what are you showing here? You can this is what is it running?
It's currently running Elementary OS, which is based on Ubuntu, and we have a various range of Linux distributions. What we offer, mostly of them are Ubuntu, but we offer our drivers for all Linux distributions. So whatever you want to run, you can install it. We give the drivers away for.
This is a 13.3 inch right here.
Yes.
How much it cost?
That will be at around 1,100 euros. Currently configured with an i7 ultrabook CPU and possibly up to 32 gigabytes of RAM and SSD pre-built in and all that stuff.
So it has all the stuff people would want. There's a USB 3 over here and another USB 3 and HDMI, DisplayPort,
yes.
Type-C. So it's got a good specs and a good price for that spec.
Absolutely.
There's no Microsoft license, right?
Not if you don't want to. We offer the licenses for customers, but if nobody needs the Microsoft license, it's no problem. You can get it without.
Let's walk around over here because you have a whole bunch of stuff. Jump in here. Wait. These guys here are doing games on Linux?
Yes, of course. There are around over 3,000 Linux games.
3,000?
And we offer a wide range of Linux capable machines.
So what is the game you're playing right now? Civilization?
And perfectly running on our Linux-based machines.
So how is it possible to make the games work on Linux?
It's possible as more and more publishers are offering games on Linux, so they can use the base of Steam and offer their big titles, AAA titles, for Linux via Steam.
Let's walk around here. You have desktop computers also. This is a big one.
Yeah.
Can you turn it around? Yeah. This is your big desktop box.
It's not the biggest one. We have also the high towers. It's a Tuxedo Cube. Core i7, quad-core CPU, up to 64 gigabytes of RAM, up to 4 SSD/80 HDDs, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080, and
she's interested in the Linux computers.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go around here. If we jump in there, what is that one? The Infinity Silent.
It's totally fanless, and it's a full aluminium body.
Yeah.
Has an i7T quad-core CPU, up to 4 HDD/SSDs, up to 32 gigabytes of RAM.
It's 549 euro
is the starting price.
And how do you configure the different parts on your website, right?
Yeah, you can check up to 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Let's choose 32. And let's HDD. Let's go to
SSD.
4 TB is the maximum.
Yeah,
Yeah.
currently 4 terabyte SSD.
Let's try that.
Let's try that.
So then if you get a 4 terabyte SSD and 32 gigabyte RAM, then we get up to 2,300. Then you got a beast little silent computer, right?
Yeah, totally.
Huge storage.
It has a VESA mount, so you can mount it on the back of your TV. Perfectly suitable for living rooms and for media center systems, all Linux based, of course.
Here's another one, Infinity Box.
Yes.
Can you show around?
Yeah, sure.
So this one is a different shape
Yeah.
and different stuff going on the back. There, all these connectors and stuff. And this one is a little bit more expensive or not?
It's a bit more expensive. It's starting right now by 649 euros.
And how about here on your website? Can you? How do you choose the OS?
You can scroll down all the configuration.
Betriebssystem.
Yeah.
So you have Ubuntu right now, and what can you choose?
You can choose different flavors of Ubuntu. Kubuntu with KDE desktop, Xubuntu with a very light one, XFCE desktop, Ubuntu Cinnamon and Ubuntu Mate, and of course Elementary OS. All the Ubuntus in both the long-term support version 16.04 or the currently stable version 16.10.
What is the most popular one?
Definitely Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. That's the one we recommend, and that's most of the customers buy. But of course, every device can be installed on their own by the customers. And
so, are you the leader in Linux computers in Germany, or?
In Germany, of course.
You're the leader.
Yeah, definitely. We are the biggest company.
Sell more than Dell.
As Dell only gives out worldwide numbers, it's hard to say, but we are definitely the leader on the variety for devices.
Yeah.
We have over 20 different laptops and plus the 3 desktop CPU, desktop PCs, and furthermore the smaller silent PCs.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there are lots of different models for different types of use. Gaming laptops, business notebooks, ultra mobile devices. For any use case, you get the perfect model individually configured for your personal needs.
High quality manufacturing.
Yes, manufacturing in Germany.
Assembly in Germany.
Assembling is in Germany, in Leipzig. We are based in Königsbrunn, near Augsburg, the Munich area, and the assembling is done in Leipzig. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Warranty is okay?
Yes, warranty is 2 years, always included 2 years, possible up to 5 years warranty.
With extension.
Yeah.